Hey everyone, and welcome to MoonShot Money. Was Cathie Wood all wrong? Have we followed her to the edge of the financial cliff? That's today's video. Let's try to answer those questions. I'm Chase and this is the MoonShot Money channel. Are you ready? Let's go. This is not investing advice. Please do your own due diligence. Was Cathie Wood wrong about her famous 5 innovation platforms that are scaling exponentially? One thing we do know for sure, she was wrong about timing. She was a little too early, but no one can perfectly time the market. Can we hold her responsible for that? Some definitely are. Some are making the decision to pull their money out of the ARK universe. Money outflows have gotten ARK's attention. Was Cathie wrong about DNA sequencing and its ability to transform the healthcare industry? Is gene editing fake news? Was she wrong about robotics, especially adaptive robotics that can work alongside of humans? Isn't there a huge labor shortage? Can robots do the menial tasks that most people don't want to do? Was she wrong? Was she wrong about energy storage? Electric vehicle sales are taking off and gas-powered vehicle sales have been slowing down. So was Cathie wrong? Are you seeing more electric vehicles on the road? Was Cathie wrong about the artificial intelligence? With artificial intelligence training costs dropping at 60% rate per year, was she wrong? Is AI crumbling? Was she wrong about blockchain technology? What about decentralized finance and wrong about non-fungible tokens? Is Bitcoin and Ethereum becoming a thing of the past like an 8-track tape player? I don't think there's one person who can legitimately say that she was wrong on these 5 platforms. She was right. Let me say that again. Cathie Wood is right about all 5 of these innovation platforms. The problem with investors is most are suffering from a bad case of the need for instant gratification. My stocks are down and those stocks over there are up. If you plant a seed in the ground, what sane person expects to see a plant with vegetables on it in just a few days? Everyone knows it takes some time. Listen, these great innovation companies that we hold in our investment accounts aren't terrible companies. They're just young. Microsoft, Exxon, Apple, and other mature companies at one time was young too. You're not wrong on your growth investments. You're just very early. Was she wrong about predicting 40% average growth for ARK funds over the next 5 years? We don't know yet. The same criticism came with her early predictions on Tesla and Bitcoin. She used to get clobbered on CNBC by the Tesla haters. Her price predictions were early, but very accurate in time. Take a second and hit that like button. It's free and easy, but it helps our channel out so much. If you like the content, hit that subscribe button too. Make sure to follow us over on Twitter at MoonShot Money 1. So, are the ARK funds considerably down? Yes. Are growth companies performing worse than the S&P 500? Yes. The problem is a shift in the macroeconomic conditions resulting from a basket of problems from supply chain to inflation. Whatever your politics are, we all feel the pain right now. This shift has made investors rotate away from growth stocks into more stable, mature companies. When a rotation like this happens, there's much more selling than buying, and that causes prices to keep dropping. We at MoonShot Money feel the rotation ourselves. We're buying things like JP Morgan, Lowe's, and Exxon, but we're also buying things like Teladoc, Palantir, ChargePoint, and Open Door, just to name a few. Catch our weekly roundup on Friday to find out more about what we actually buy and sell this week. To sum it up, Cathie Wood was wrong on her timing. She could have definitely bought these companies at cheaper prices. You, right now, can buy companies cheaper than Cathie bought them. Is that a bad thing? No. If you've got years till retirement, it's a good thing. You just have to shift your psychology. It's tough as nails to buy when things are down 30% to 80%. If you were in the market for a certain vehicle and found it at 50% off, would you buy it or would the discount scare you to death? We just don't respond to sale prices on stocks like we respond to them in retail sales. It doesn't compute as well. Let us know in the comments below what you think about Cathie Wood's ARK funds and the companies inside of those funds. Are you still buying or are you rotating out? Let us know what you're buying right now. We appreciate each and every one of you more than you know. Earn more, save more, invest more, and give more. Have a great week, everyone. We'll see you on the moon.